Those are lift cones, red brake, that's easy. Orange and green, that's gonna get us on that race line that you've been practicing on the sim.
Yep.
I'll show you how to do that. All right, let me welcome Dylan to M1 Concourse with Xtreme Xperience. We're in the beautiful Ferrari 488 GTB. We got about 660 horsepower, twin turbo V8 right there, everybody. For all those at home, we're gonna having a lot more fun than you are.
Heck yeah.
Let's go to the blue cones and hang out for a sec, let the gap form, and then we'll work on catching those guys. Very stiff brake pedal, but very good brakes. All right, here we go, Dylan. We're not trying to catch them just yet, but we will. Go ahead. All right. Nice and easy. Get a feel for the car. The first corner, you're going to feel like you're driving off the track. You're not going to. Just go all the way to the cone with the front bumper. When the front bumper gets there, slow hands into the green. Ready? Do it. That's it. That's what we're doing. Back on the gas. And don't worry about this tail coming out. It will not come out. There you go. All the way my side. Yep, all the way down. Here's our first big brake. Let's get a feel for it. Ready? Squeeze it hard. Get a feel. Good. That's good. You're good, Dylan. Take it in. Off that brake. Back on that gas. All the way out. Two identical corners here. Turn in. Look for your orange cone. Drive right to it. Ready? There it is. Go. Drive, drive, drive. There you go. Lift it. Just give me a little bit of brake. A little bit of brake. Off that brake. Do the rest up here before we turn. And you got to do, yep, good. You got to go slow through it. Get out wide. On the third cone, I want you to dive in. Ready? Dive. Right in on that apex. On the gas. Go get the Ferrari. Let's go. Go all the way over that hill. Keep going, Dylan.
Fuck yes!
Woo! Keep going. Keep going. And lift and brake now. Yes. Off that brake. Trust me, it'll go. I promise you it won't slide. Back on the gas. All the way around. Get those eyes up. And go for it. Here we go. Just lift. Turn in. Back on the gas. There you go. My side. Big brakes going. Stay in them. Stay in them. Off the brake. Yes, sir. Great apex. That was awesome. That was the perfect angle. Get it in here. One big sweeper all the way around. Stay steady on that throttle. Yep. Wide. Stay steady. Yep. Turn it in. Now accelerate. Good job. That felt good. Catching the Ferrari. He sees us. He wants us to pass. Get right up behind him. He'll point you by. Okay?
Yep.
Get ready. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right here, you're going to get a point by. Ready? Go. Big brakes. Hard. Off the brake. Take it in. Trust me, it'll go.
That's so crazy, man.
I know. I know. The sooner I can get you to trust the car, the faster we'll go. Here we go, buddy. Here we go.
Oh, yes.
Lift. Brake hard. Off the brake. Do the rest up here. Ready? Squeeze it hard. On the outside edge. Third cone. 1, 2, 3. Dive. Go get that lead car, Dylan. Go get him.
He's driving the brakes off that one.
Almost 120 there. Lift. Turn it in. Look around the corner. Perfect. Oh, look at the grip. Look at the grip. Woo. Turn in my side. Big brakes. Harder. Off the brake. Look at you catching the lead car, Dylan. One big sweeper, steady speed. All the way around. Yes. Yes. Turn in now. On the gas. Big brakes. Don't go early. Don't go early. Now go. Oh, yes. Get it in there. Go, go, go. You're a natural, bro. Big brakes, hard. Off the brake. Get it in. You got this. You got this. Yes. He's hanging on to it, boys. He's hanging on to it. Here we go. All the way down. Lift. Big squeeze. Off. Over here. All of it. Outside edge. 1, 2, 3. In. Oh, look at that. How good did that feel? Go, go, go. That's about as fast as you can go through there. Go a little past the yellow. Boom.
I could have gone deeper than that, but...
What's that?
Man, this thing just...
Grips.
It does.
All the way around. You got this, Dylan. Let's finish strong. Lift, turn in tight. Awesome. Get it in. Well done, sir. Wait, follow him. Well done. That was good.